Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. In today's class, we are going to study about the various parts of the Scratch programming. Okay. So in this session, we will see the different parts of the Scratch window. The thing which is open on your, the thing which you can see here now, that is the Scratch window. So when it comes to Scratch window, let me introduce the parts of that first. This one is the menu bar. You can see my cursor here. This is the menu bar. Okay, this is the stage area. This is your sprite. Okay, these are the blocks, some given here. So now first come to the sprite. The cat which you are seeing here now, this is known as a sprite, or you can say the sprite is an element of a Scratch programming which takes command and perform actions. Suppose you want to move, that is sprite. So you will give the command move. So what will move? Your cursor will not move. What will move here? This is sprite will move. Okay. This sprite can be anything. It can be a butterfly. It can be a bat. It can be a boy. It can be a girl. Okay. It depends upon what you have selected. So to change a sprite, you can go to this new sprite option here. Click on that, and you can see so many sprites are there. Is it there or not? Yes. Okay. Football, boy, girl, banana, balloons. Okay, this bitters, then ring, bell. So many are there. Apples are also there. Dancing girl is there. You can see there on the screen. Okay. So this is what sprite. So now we will discuss about each and every part in detail. So first come to the menu part. Okay, menu bar. In the menu bar, you will see what is there first. Scratch logo. Okay, this Scratch logo button takes us to the home page of the website. Okay, from where we have downloaded this. Clear? Then settle just like this. Okay, this one is what? Now the net is not connected. That was it's not taking us there because net is not connected here. Net is not there. Select language. You can select any language from here. We have selected English. Okay. If you are a French, then you can select French also. It all depends upon you. But Hindi is not there. Edit. Sorry, file. File menu gives us so many options, like to create to open a new window, then to open any saved project, save as, means saving the same file by different name, recording a project video, share to the website. These all options are given where it is in the file menu. Any animation or any game we make in this Scratch programming ना, that is known as project. हम कोई भी एनिमेशन या गेम को अगर हम स्क्रैच प्रोग्राम में बनाते हैं तो उसको क्या बोला जाता है हम लोगों को? स्क्रैच में उसको क्या कहते हैं? प्रोजेक्ट. ओके, क्लियर? Now come to the edit. Undelete, suppose that you have deleted something and you don't want to delete it, so you want it again. So undelete that. Small stage layout. It means it helps us to set the size of the stage. Stage means what? This white space where this cat is there. In January only our annual function happened and we all performed on where? On the stage. The same thing is happening here also. This cat, whatever the command you will give now, this cat will perform all the command on this white space area, and this space area is known as what? Stage. So here you can change. Now it's smaller. Okay. Now uncheck this one and it becomes bigger. Clear? Tips. This tips provides us the tutorial classes for the Scratch. Okay. As you can see here, so many options have come. Getting started with a Scratch, animate a name, make a music, make it fly, create a Pong game. So this is all the tips which you can take a help from to make any project in the Scratch programming about. What is nothing to do? Now come to the duplicate. Duplicate means what? Now making a copy of that. To make a duplicate of any sprite, what we are supposed to do? Click on the duplicate. Select the sprite. You can see here sprite 3, sprite 2, sprite 1. Again sprite 4. You can see we are making what? We are duplicating that sprite. Now delete. How to delete? Just first what we are supposed to do in the delete option, click the delete button then select on the sprite, this I1. What we have to do in that delete? First we will click on the delete button and then click a sprite on block to remove from here. Is it removed? Now 3 is there. Again if we want to remove, now 2, then 1. Clear? Okay. After that, grow button. This is the grow. It can make your sprite bigger. As you can see, it's getting bigger. Okay. This is what? This is the shrink. Shrink means छोटा करना उसको. Okay. Now it's getting smaller. Clear. Okay, very good. Now this is the block help. You can take help from here. If you need any help and all, you can take it from there. This is the stage area. I told you earlier. There is a green flag. This green flag helps us to run any project. What it does, it helps to run any project in the Scratch. Okay, and this stop button makes the project stop. Clear to you? This is your sprite list, from where you can select any new sprite. If you want to select what we want to select, take this one better. Okay. Then after selecting, go for the OK. Now you can see this has come here. We don't want this, so we will remove it from here. Okay, so for today this much only. The next class we will move to this motion blocks, costumes and sounds. This motion, let me introduce a little about this all. This motion means what? Motion means movement. If you want to make your sprite movement, you have to select any block from here, drag it to this area, turn, then after that turn 15 degree, then now select on this. You will see, now you can see now what is happening there. That cat is moving and taking how many degrees turn? 15 degrees. You can change this number. This number is 10, 15, 10. You can change it. Costumes means the look of the sprite. You can change the look of the sprite from here. Sound. If you want to add any sound in this sprite, you can add the sound also. About this thing now we will discuss in detail in the later classes. For today this much only. Okay, slowly we will cover this chapter so that everything should get clear to you. Is it okay, students? So thank you for watching. Bye. Have a nice day.